Good day, viewers. You are welcome to part 2 of our catfish breeding tutorial. Listen and remain blessed. Thank you, guys. You are all welcome.
Let's start. Focus on it. What's the thing over? All right, good day, everyone. So right now we want to carry out the second hatchery here. The first broodstock that was injected, the egg that came out, which you are going to watch, was not up to 1 spoon. So I have to help them select another broodstock which we are going to use. And part of the lesson I want us to learn here is that before you select a broodstock, like I said, that's why I encourage every one of us to get a manual and read. Pick a feed that you can see the protruded stomach. Then press it and make sure that egg come out. Don't assume that something is there. Okay, because now when you consider the cost of fuel, the cost of paying workers and the rest of them, if you are not careful, you may not be able to get a good result. So I have a lot to be teaching us today, but meanwhile let us watch the actions. We are going to be using this male. Just bring the camera close. This male, you can see it was the male that we used initially, so it was sutured. See, it has started healing small. So we only use one of the testes. We're going to be using the second testis now for the hatchery. All right, so just stay put and watch what we have for you. Thank you.
All right, so you can see Mr. James preparing saline water. I try to guide him to do most of the work so that practically he can be well equipped. We have done the theoretical class. This is a practical time. Oh, we are getting the testes, actually using the second testis. This fish was the one we sutured for those that watched the part 1, and we are using the second testis. After using the second testis, this male fish will remain impotent, so therefore it's going to be sold out or be used for catfish pepper soup. All right, so I will encourage you to partner with Fish College to promote fish farming in Africa. Okay, by so doing, you might not know you are saving a life, you are creating a job opportunity for someone. So we have removed the testes now. So after removing the testes, the next stage is to move to the stripping of the egg. That's why I need you to get a manual so that you can read it and follow what is written there. And this is just a practical demonstration of what is written in the manual. So if you're yet to get your copy, you will try and get it. So this is a little farm, a new farm, so they don't have complete tools. There is no table, so I'm going to manage to do the stripping. And the best way we anesthetize this fish is to use of wet towel or wet rag. So this is rag that we are using, soak with water, grain of water. So that's what I'm going to use to get the female. Yeah, so I'm going to do it carefully so that it will not waste egg. So that's why I can see we are being so careful. You can see the female is struggling. Oh my god, it's struggling. So we have to continue because we must get this egg. The egg is what we're going to fertilize before we incubate. So let me allow you to enjoy the show. Thank you, guys.
Just see the pour like rain water.
Struggle. Egg not to come out.
When you use the right broodstock, the egg will surely come out. You don't need to struggle about it. So we'll continue to strip until we'll stop as soon as we see the trace of blood. But in this case, we keep stripping and stripping, and egg was just coming out, and we don't want this broodstock to be stressed. So it kept to a point we stopped to allow the broodstock to rest while we incubate the other one. So what I did was, the testes that we brought out, we cut it into two and used some power to fertilize the first egg that was stripped, so I can use the remaining one to fertilize the next egg that will be stripped after the end of it. So, and other thing that we did that the video could not cover is, while stripping, when you observe that the body of the fish is dry, we dip our hand in saline water so that to reduce friction on the body of the broodstock, because those friction can cause damage on the skin, and that's why some people do lose broodstock when after carrying out breathing exercise. I'm happy that you learned this, and I know you are smiling. So these are part of what you benefit. Go and get our manual, okay? Get our manual so that you read up on how to manage broodstock and how to manage catfish fry. So this is quite interesting. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel while watching this video, I will encourage you to do that right now. Click on the subscription button and I'll be liking our video. Know that your like inspire us to do more videos. All right, so let's continue. Let me allow you guys to watch again what we are doing. If I can drop some notes again.
You don't finish. Then the cow on this.
Okay, where is it? Carry this saline water. So this, the next stage now, no hard. Understand? And this one I want use. I want keep this one. So when we don't finish, we'll press them again. Come out small way we do. So you see the milk.
So you can see the fertilization process. We are what we're actually doing, we are now cutting these testes in ordinary water. The water you are seeing is saline water prepared by Mr. James, the manager of the farm that is acquiring this skill. So when you look closely, you can observe that the water is milky. It's milky because of the viability, the potency of the milk. The milk is what we call sperm in man, and the milk is the milk in the testes of the male fish. So what I'm going to do now, I see I'm pouring it. Yeah, so I'm actually going to use this one, fertilize it and incubate, while Mr. James is going to do the other one. Okay, so because subsequently he's the one that will be doing the hatchery in this farm. So I'm inspiring you that you can also train your staff to do this job to do it very well. You can partner with us to give your staff.
This one is the one that you use, but
okay,
it's the one that you use again.
So very soon we'll be incubating.
The testes.
All the liquid though, I will remove. I will finish. We will remove the
egg that
we'll remove this sack.
Okay. Use.
I use that for the. So what I will do now, collect. Just done it, but everything don't go on. I can't collect water from here now. The last stage. I'm not allowed the water dry finish. If it dry, The thing go block.
Then the block.
No. So I will go house for them. Alright. Did they open the last night?
Now only this side. Make I do this side, they watch you.
Okay.
Give me.
See, I'm dancing in school.
Look who's strange.
Spoon.
Okay. Come to see how to spread and give you.
I will just do this side, I will do the remaining one. Just see, not be hard work. Just the can make.
John using hand. My hand John.
Okay. Some people they use feather too.
Feather. Yeah, no go too much for them.
You don't see it now, you talk. Naturally, you inject two.
We go fit, I go fit carry this one come on watch that place or
Which one?
this one.
Maybe say the leak.
So you still manage it. See how they leak now. You still manage it.
Continue.
Ka o wepụ ya ka e were ebe a tinye hụkwa. Ka e wepụ ya ka o were ebe a tinye kwa.
You fit climb or draw and come. No, that the egg. Okay. Also, say back at John use what they do. Just put down, go on like this, let it go up. Focus on this side, so that before you go finish here, water go down. Wow. Yes. Use spoon come out of that. Come collect this one too.
And it is now, the story has happened. The story will change.
Don't do, I collect water. Don't do. Turn around, make it touch my hair. Don't do. the count. Don't spray am.
Make this spray, make it a little down.
No, what's the goal? Why I did it 2 times? That one is too cloudy. So this one is neat.
So they see where you know you to before.
If you check this other one too, or if let's see there, good for them.
So after incubating, in less than 24 hours, our fish hatch. Alright, when they hatch, they will become so tiny, so we need to wait until they are visible before we can show you the video. So this will happen after 11 days. Very soon you're gonna be seeing them, and I will encourage you to watch part 3 of this video. You can see them. This is what we have at the 11 exercising. So in the part 3 that is loading, you're going to be hearing from the young man, Mr. James, to tell you some of the challenges they were having before and the possible things that they did to overcome them. So thank you guys. God bless you.